my top off. Whoops! I'm stuck! My hair again! Oh man! What do I do now? Come on, hair! Just a little bit more! Oh no! Another brush couldn't handle it! Oh! A cat! Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty! Come on, honey! You're doing amazing! You were a hairstylist in your previous life for sure! You are such a treasure! Hold the elevator! Thanks! It's hot in here! Oh! Hey! There are people standing here! There's too much hair in the elevator! Whoops! Awkward! So, my hair is clean and very wet. I'm gonna dry it with a towel. Done! And I don't need a hairdryer anymore. Wow, Polly! Hi, Jenna! That's so kind of you. Now you can go. Thank you for drawing a bath for me. A bath? What are you talking about? I'll add foam. Oh, I'm gonna go. Jenna is late again. Flowers! I almost forgot. These will be just fine. Hi! Is this for me? Thanks! And here's a vase. That's perfect! Your hair is so beautiful! Hands off! It's so pretty! I can't keep my hands to myself. Oh, it's so nice! What's going on? What is this?
Ew.
Whoops! Jenna has been doing her hair all morning. If only her boyfriend knew how many hairstyling products she has in her hair, he wouldn't touch it. I love this song. I'll turn it up. Yeah, yeah, yeah! The robot vacuum is close. Ah! My hair! Help! Oh, how interesting. That's a creative way to curl hair. What do I need for it? There were napkins somewhere here. I'll try it. So, how did it turn out? It failed. At least I can wipe my screen. Today at 5 works for me. See you. He asked me out. Yay! I have to look like $1,000,000, just like my favorite Nicki Minaj. I have a great wig. Except it's not very easy to put on. This hair is too fluffy. But I'm not giving up. Done! Baby, you look gorgeous. Hi, honey. Do you like my new style? That's a lot. But I'm used to it. Wow! It looks very simple. That's just what I need. Yes! I'm curling my hair with socks. Hello, curls! Nope! Everyone's a liar! My hair is clean! I can start styling it! I'll start with a hairdryer. Now for the rest of it! I just have to brush it. And, of course, style my bangs. Now I'm ready. I can go to sleep. I'll wake up with a perfect hairstyle. Is it morning already? What? My bangs look terrible. Why? Guys, put the boxes here. Pick it up. One fell.
Hey!
Hey man, help us out! What? I got mistaken for a boy again. It's all because of my short hair. Yeah, you were right about that. But still, blood! 911, come right now! Girls, what's with all this noise? Do you like my new hair color? Isn't it awesome? Penny, are you serious? It's a little unexpected. Your ID. Is this better? Oh yeah, thanks. Come in. Hello, I'm here for boarding. Glasses. So? No, you don't look like this photo. What about now? Oh, that's you! You can go! By the way, no one can recognize me in this picture either. I'm running late. Yay! It's him! Hello! A date? Of course! See you! I need to check with my hair washing calendar. Oh no! I'm only washing my hair tomorrow! Sorry, the date is canceled. Ah, bad luck. Penny, look at that! My hair looks like Ariana Grande's. Wow, this is amazing! I want this hairstyle too. So, is it similar? Yeah, not super similar though. What are you watching? Ouch! My hair! Ouch! My hair! Whoops! Sorry! I'm hungry. Oh no! I got tangled up in hair! What do? She's waking up! Oh! My hair! Again? I didn't mean to! That's it! I'm done! Honey, do you like my hat? Wow! You look gorgeous! And your hair isn't getting in between us anymore! Polly, that was the best date of my life! I'll tell you all about it! Yeah, okay. But can I eat yet? Ew! There's a hair in your burger! What? This? That's okay. It's mine. I'm used to it. Just ignore it. Ew! Gross! Where's my tea? Ew! Your hair got to me, too! How do I dry my hair? This towel will do the trick. Wet hair is so heavy. Hopefully, this giant towel doesn't fall. There you go! I'm so nervous! Is he actually gonna kiss me right now? Polly! Yes? Your hair! Oh no! These stupid hair extensions ruined it all! Did you like our video? Then comment below what funny hair situations have happened to you. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.